Hi guys, it's Tony from Atlas again. Today we're in beautiful Pearland, Texas, about to put in some Trane equipment. We got a 2-ton and a 3-ton complete system. We got the box coil, the gas furnace, all the accessories. We got the secondary float switch, prevents your drain pan from getting too full and causing some sheetrock damage. We got the primary float switch, which should shut off the system before it gets too clogged up the drain lines. We always recommend a Honeywell thermostat, #1 brand in the industry. And we do a disconnect in the whip just to prevent any short outs or ground outs caused by wiring issues. So let's go take a look at the old system. All right guys, this is the old condenser. This is what we used to call the green tank RUD. Very good system. They don't make them the way they used to, but it's very inefficient. You're raising up your energy bill for no reason. These are going to go out, brand new Trane system come in. We got our technician Rheem making sure that the system disconnected. We evacuated the Freon, and we're going to get on the process of putting in the new condensers. All right guys, we got the old equipment here. We got the old return plenum, the old furnace, the old plenum coil made by All Styles, always leaks. And we got the old drain pan. You see it's rusted and corroded. All this got to go. Guys, we're finishing up the install. We got the furnace here, the box coil, drain pan, supply and return plenum replaced. We got the Pookie set and we're about to remove the tape, start doing the finishing work. We got the finished product here. We got the 3-ton Trane and the 2-ton Trane in. Got the new disconnect, new whips, insulated the suction line, ran a new thermostat wire because the dog chewed out the old one. Should last forever.